In the rapidly evolving world of military aviation, the United States continues to push the boundaries of technology, speed, and air dominance. One of the most anticipated developments in modern fighter aviation is the arrival of the Boeing F-47, a next-generation aircraft designed to secure American air superiority for decades to come. Developed by Boeing under the Next Generation Air Dominance program, the F-47 represents a dramatic leap forward in stealth, artificial intelligence, and advanced combat capabilities. The concept of the F-47 emerged from the growing realization that current fifth-generation fighters, while extremely capable, would eventually face new threats from advanced air defense systems and rival stealth aircraft. Nations such as China and Russia have been heavily investing in next-generation fighter programs, forcing the United States to accelerate development of a sixth-generation platform. The F-47 is designed not simply as another fighter jet, but as the centerpiece of a networked battlefield system where aircraft, drones, satellites, and ground forces operate together in real time. One of the most defining features of the F-47 is its advanced stealth technology. While stealth capabilities already exist in aircraft like the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II, the F-47 is expected to push stealth design even further. Engineers are working on new materials and airframe shapes that reduce radar visibility to an unprecedented level. These improvements will allow the aircraft to penetrate heavily defended airspace while remaining extremely difficult to detect or track. The aircraft's body is expected to have smoother surfaces, fewer external components, and advanced coatings that absorb radar waves. Speed and performance will also play a critical role in the F-47's design. Early concepts suggest that the aircraft could achieve speeds well beyond Mach 2 while maintaining excellent maneuverability. Advanced engines are being developed to provide greater thrust while improving fuel efficiency and range. Some experts believe the aircraft could incorporate adaptive cycle engines, which adjust airflow to optimize performance for different mission profiles. This means the jet could switch between high-speed interception and long-range cruising without sacrificing efficiency. Another revolutionary aspect of the F-47 is its deep integration with artificial intelligence. Unlike previous fighter jets that rely primarily on human pilots for decision-making, the F-47 will likely feature AI systems capable of assisting with navigation, threat detection, and tactical analysis. These intelligent systems will process enormous amounts of battlefield data in real time, allowing the pilot to focus on strategic decisions rather than routine tasks. In some scenarios, AI could even suggest optimal attack routes, detect hidden threats, or coordinate drone formations automatically. The F-47 is also expected to operate alongside a new generation of unmanned combat drones known as loyal wingmen. These drones will fly in formation with the fighter jet, acting as force multipliers during missions. They may carry additional weapons, perform reconnaissance, jam enemy radar systems, or even sacrifice themselves to protect the main aircraft. By controlling multiple drones simultaneously, a single F-47 pilot could command an entire aerial combat team, dramatically increasing combat effectiveness. Communication and data networking will be another key feature. The F-47 will likely serve as a flying command center capable of linking multiple military assets across air, land, sea, and space. Using advanced encrypted communication systems, the aircraft will share real-time information with satellites, naval fleets, ground forces, and other aircraft. This network-centric warfare approach ensures that every part of the battlefield remains connected and coordinated. Weapon systems on the F-47 are expected to be equally advanced. While traditional air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles will remain part of its arsenal, future weapons may include directed energy systems such as high-powered lasers. These weapons could intercept incoming missiles or disable enemy drones almost instantly. Additionally, the aircraft will likely carry next-generation hypersonic missiles capable of striking targets at extremely high speeds, making them nearly impossible to intercept. Another possible innovation is the option for unmanned operation. Some reports suggest the F-47 may be capable of flying without a human pilot during certain missions. In autonomous mode, the aircraft could carry out dangerous reconnaissance or strike operations in heavily defended environments where sending a human pilot would be too risky. This flexibility would provide the military with a wider range of tactical options. The cockpit itself will likely be a major technological upgrade. Instead of traditional instrument panels, pilots may interact with large panoramic touch displays and augmented reality helmets. These systems could project critical flight data, target information, and navigation cues directly onto the pilot's visor. The result would be faster decision-making and improved situational awareness during high-speed combat. The development of the F-47 represents a major investment in the future of air power. Building a sixth-generation fighter is an incredibly complex challenge involving advanced aerodynamics, cutting-edge electronics, and next-level propulsion systems. Engineers and scientists from across the aerospace industry are collaborating to bring these technologies together into a single aircraft platform. Although the F-47 is still in the early stages of development, its potential impact on global military balance is significant. Once operational, it could redefine the concept of air superiority and set new standards for fighter aircraft around the world. Other nations are also working on their own sixth-generation fighters, which means the coming decades may see an entirely new era of aerial competition. For the United States, maintaining air dominance has always been a strategic priority. From the legendary fighters of the Cold War to today's stealth aircraft, American aviation has continuously evolved to meet new threats. The F-47 is the next step in that long tradition of innovation, combining stealth, speed, artificial intelligence, and unmanned teamwork into a single powerful system. As testing and development continue, aviation enthusiasts and defense experts alike are watching closely. The aircraft may still be years away from full operational deployment, but its concept already represents the future of aerial warfare. When the F-47 finally takes to the skies, it could mark the beginning of a new chapter in military aviation, one where human pilots, intelligent machines, and autonomous drones fight together as a unified force in the battlespace of tomorrow.